Okay, this is math homework help for today. Converting improper fractions to mixed numbers.
Okay, who worked on this?
Abby Wells and Mia Heiser, and just a little help from me, Keira. Number 1, 36 sevenths. Step 1, how many times does 7 go into 36? 5 times. 7 goes into 36 5 times because 7 times 5 is 35. Second step, 36 minus 35. 1. Third step, find your common denominator, which is 7, equals 5 and 1/7 is the answer. Woo, yeah. A few more. Number 11, 31 fifths. Ask yourself, how many times does 5 go into 31? Well, because 5 times 6 is 30, 6 is your whole answer. Your fraction is 1/5 because you always keep the same denominator, and you change your remainder to the numerator for a fraction.
Say that again.
You change your remainder to numerator
That is really good.
for a fraction. So your total answer is 6 and 1/5. Last one. Number 2. 6 over 2. 9/2, sorry. First step, how many times does 2 go into 9? 4 times. Second goes into 9 4 times because 4 times 2 equals 8. Second step, 9 minus 8, 1. Third step, find your common denominator, 2, equals 4 and 1/2 is the answer. Number 3, 37 fifths. Step 1, how many times does 5 go into 37? 7 times. 5 goes into 37 7 times because 7 times 5 is 35. Second step, 37 minus 35, 2. Third step, find your common denominator, which is 5. Answer, 7 and 2/5.
And that comes from this, remainder, and that's right.
It comes from the
What
remainder.
is this right here?
2.
It's your remainder.
It's your remainder. 2 is your remainder.
Fine.
Okay.
This is another way to think about it.
This is another way to think about it. And also it's number 4 on the homework. So if you click, 50 goes in the box, and then 8 goes and flies in. It goes whoosh. And then 8 goes, 8 times 4. 8 times 3.
Let's show how we think. It should be 4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 8 is 32. So let's change that.
32. Oh,
Should it be 6? I don't know. Sorry.
the remainder stays the same. Let's see what that looks like.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, 50 goes in, it goes whoosh. 8 goes in, it goes whoosh. And then it turns into 6. And 6 times 8 is 48. Then you subtract it, and then, so that would be 2. The remainder becomes the numerator. So the 2 goes whoosh, and then 8, it disappears, and then it goes into a magical force and goes whoosh. Okay.
Okay, how many times is 9 going to 60? What is it?
The question is, how many times does 9 go into 60?
Isn't it?
And it would be 6.
6 times 9.
6 times
54.
6 times 9 is 54. 54.
Okay, and this is the numbers do the same?
No. Oh,
Subtract them, there's going to be an answer 6.
6. Yeah,
Let's
6.
do it. See what happens.
Let's do it. All right, so 60 goes in, whoosh. Then 9 goes in, whoosh. And then it goes 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. And 54 goes whoosh. And then you subtract it. And then the mystery answer is going to be 6. The 6 goes, the remainder comes into the, not numerator, sorry. And then it goes, disappears, and then it goes whoosh. So 3 times 10 is 30, like so. So we're going to change it to 30. And then we're going to change the remainder to 6. 10. So 36 goes whoosh. 10 goes whoosh. And then it comes up as 3. And then 3 times 10 is 30. And then you go 30 up. And then the remainder is 6. Whoosh. See how magic I am? And then the denominator is 6. 10, sorry. And then the 10 goes magic, and it goes whoosh. See how magic I am? Okay, I can do this. Alright, so 7/8 plus 1/10. So the common denominator is going to be 40. So 10 times 4, 40. 1 times... and 80 is not, like, a lot of people would have put it 80, but it's not wrong because it's just, it's too high, like, yeah. So 1 times 4 is 4, 7 times 5 is 35, like so. And then they go over there, and then the 4 goes over there, then you add it, and then the answer would be 39, then the 39 goes whoosh, and then you got your answer. SpongeBob does a happy dance. SpongeBob does a happy dance. Alright, 36 minus 3/8. I can do this. Okay, so the denominator is going to be 24, and then 8 times 3, and then 3 times 3, 6 times 4, and 3 times 4. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times 4 is 12. So then it goes whoosh, and then the 9 goes whoosh, and then you subtract it, and then it will be 3. Sorry. My brain's kind of going crazy. So you got your answer. SpongeBob does a happy dance. Happy. Okay, 7/10 plus 4/5. No, we do not have to change both of them. We just changed 4/5. I can do this. Okay, so 10 is the denominator. 5 times 2, 4 times 2, and then 4 times 2 is 8. We would add 8. And then 10. Wait, no, 7.
What's that going to be?
15. And then the 15 goes, whoosh! SpongeBob does a happy day. SpongeBob does a happy day. Alright, 4/8 minus 1/6. I can do this, SpongeBob says. Alright. So the denominator is 24. And then you do 6 times 4, 1 times 4, because what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 8 times 3, and 4 times 3. Alright, 4 times 1 is 4. Duh. 4 times 3 is 12. Duh. And then 12 minus 4, right?
12 minus what?
4. I said 4.
What's the answer?
8. And it goes whoosh. And then guess what's going to happen? SpongeBob has a happy dance. SpongeBob has a happy dance. That's the last one. Bye. This is Keira.